Well, no. Dude! We had a perfect video there. Moron. Okay. We're going to see if Slender Man is real, so we're going to go down that path. By the way, that's my friend Preston, the guy in the the blonde, the true blonde. His name is Robbie. And short stuff. His name is actually Dylan, though. Wait, wasn't he? I forget. I think that was what do you want?
And this is Jaden.
Let's go!
The Slender Man is real. We will see blood on trees.
No, we won't.
We'll see signs.
Okay, that was a cough. What?
Is Slender real?
I don't know.
The question
Remains unanswered. What is that? Oh, never mind.
What are you doing? Where are you filming Slender?
I'm trying to find him. More like a killer. Look at those big trees. Yeah. Okay, goodbye, people. This was part 2. Slender Man is not real. And, subscribe. Sorry, fans, I have a cold. And if you want to see me jump that, you're going to have to subscribe.